Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change sound settings into a screen recorder in your OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Firstly, open your top bar and find screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button in top bar, so click pencil and then find this button here, and then for adding to top bar need press and hold and drag to up, and for saving click back. Then need to press and hold for this screen recorder button, and here we got audio source, so click it, and now we got three options, so no audio, internal audio and microphone audio. So for saving, for example, microphone audio, click it and it saves automatically. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.